app stopped working after an update? Don't do anything yet. This simple fix can solve it in seconds.
Experiencing app crashes after the recent update. We've identified.
Just simply go to the setting and then go to the app. Now now select the app has problem. I'm click on this. Now go to the storage and then clear cache and data. After doing this step, check the problem. If the problem is persist, then next is go to the Play Store and search the app. Now check for the update. If update is available, then update it, otherwise follow the next step. Next is again go to the setting. Now click on the app and select the app. Now uninstall the app here and reinstall again. After doing this, check the problem. If long press the power button and restart your device. After restarting your device, if the problem is persist, then next is go to the setting and now search here update. Click on this. Now and update your device. After doing this step, restart your device again. Your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel and share it with friends. Thanks for